Raja, would you like to say something? Yeah, please.
Sir, when the issue was, when the issue was
My name
taken
is
up.
there, T.K. Rangarajan is.
Okay.
It is not there. You must be happy. You must be happy then. I called Raja. D. Raja, please,
Yes,
what
sir.
is this? Yeah.
I don't know, Premchand Gupta is
D.
coming,
Raja.
sir. Okay, okay. Sir, when the issue was taken up with the Prime Minister, there was a very limited purpose. That was the deadline. That is section 44, subclass 4. Every public servant shall file with the competent authority on or before the 31st July of every year. That was the urgency when the issue was taken up with the Prime Minister. So the amendment should be only on this issue. It should not go beyond that. If that goes, then there will be
Okay.
dilution, there will be dilution.
That
in
is
the
explained
very
by the
provision
minister.
through amendments. This amendment should not be used in order to dilute the very purpose of the law. That is number one. Number two, the need for a thorough financial disclosure regime is being recognized globally as an important element in an anti-corruption framework. And Parliament, after all, Parliament enacts laws, and Parliament should be sincere to its own laws. And if we have committed some mistake, we can discuss. But the point is, we should not act in desperation so that the bill is totally diluted. So the minister should make it very clear on the floor of the House. This amendment only for this limited purpose. The deadline is
Okay.
31st July.
Yes,
so
that's clear.
extension of time should be given. Only for that
Sri Rajesh
limited
Shukla.
purpose, the amendment should be taken up,
Sri Raj-
not beyond that. This
Sri
is our
Rajesh Shukla.
position, sir.
Rajesh Shukla.